Hello, YouTube fans. Well, yeah, you just think I'm some stupid kid, right? No, I'm just kidding. Well, for the most part, I just made a website. Yeah, and about my YouTube. I think you should press the subscribe button. It's pretty simple, really. Subscribe, and also stop with the stupid sub per sub message crap. Not working at all. Yeah, I made a website just saying. You can become a member. I'm gonna have my videos onto the website. It's pretty cool. The link will be in the description. Oh, right. Thanks. Thanks for everything.